Exercise 1. Kneeling single dumbbell front raise. Build strong front delts by removing leg drive, forcing full shoulder engagement. Maintain tight core and strict control to avoid swinging, maximizing tension on the anterior head. Great for strength, size, and front shoulder shape. Exercise 2. Barbell seated overhead press. Sitting removes lower body assistance, loading delts and triceps heavily. Keep posture tall, core engaged, and drive the bar overhead with control. Excellent for building mass and strength in shoulders and arms. Exercise 3. Dumbbell rear lateral raise. Targets rear delts and upper back for balance and width. Slight torso lean helps isolate the posterior shoulder. Use light to moderate weight with controlled movement to enhance muscle shape and shoulder stability. Exercise 4. Dumbbell Arnold press. Adds rotation to press for complete shoulder work. Start palms facing, rotate as you press overhead to engage all heads. Improves strength, mobility, and develops fuller rounded delts. Keep movement slow and controlled for best effect. Exercise 5. Landmine press. Angled pressing hits shoulders and chest with less joint stress, ideal for improving overhead strength and stability. Keep torso upright and core tight. Great for beginners or those needing shoulder-friendly pressing variations. Exercise 6. Lever-seated reverse fly. Builds rear delts and scapular strength. Sit facing the pad, open arms wide with strict form. Focus on squeezing shoulder blades and controlling tempo for better muscle activation and improved posture.